Hi there guys, welcome to Bluehost training part 5, and in today's video we're going to talk about how do you actually create this thing called a subdomain within your Bluehost account. Now what exactly is a subdomain? So if you look at my page over here on the main screen, you see that my domain is sayby9to5.com over here. Alright, so a subdomain will be something like https://email marketing.sayby9to5.com. So that is called a subdomain. So why would you need to create a subdomain? Well, the reason for that is because sometimes you have certain usage for your main domain already, and you do not actually wish to purchase a new domain altogether, and you just want it to be linked to your main domain. Okay, so you can actually do it that way. Alright, now so log into your Bluehost account, go under domains, scroll down, you see this subdomain option, click on it. Okay, so you will say these are all the subdomains that I actually created myself. Okay, like for example, email marketing.emailingsuccess.com. So this is actually the subdomain of my root domain, emailing success.com. So this is my main domain over here. Okay, this is my main domain, and this whole thing is considered as the subdomain, this entire thing. Alright guys, so what all you need to do is just to add domain. So your domain will appear on the left of your root domain, like subdomain.domain.com, like what I mentioned to you. So all you need to do is just to click on something like, for example, finance. Okay, finance.sayby9to5.com and click add domain. So after you click on add domain, the subdomain will be automatically created. Okay, so you can see that let me see the new one, this one, finance.sayby9to5.com. okay, this is the one that I just created. So if you do not want this subdomain, very simple, just delete the whole subdomain, and that's it. Alright guys, so this is how simple you can actually do to create a subdomain. So I'll see you guys in the next video again, whereby I touch on more in terms of how do you actually use Bluehost to assist in your make money online journey. Take care.